There you go. Look at that.
Right in fluffy. Oh, you been over there.
Look at that. Look at that.
I'm looking
Look at sharp and save, huh? Early.
Oh, she's been up. She ground the flour this morning.
Yeah, really.
Ground the
I had-
flour.
Homemade biscuits, which
Yeah, biscuits.
They work.
And strawberry
What
jam.
jam?
Strawberry jam?
Lisa, they're passable.
Don't do it. And probably
Well,
we have
that's
the
the best
back.
compliment
That's the
I'm
best
probably gonna
compliment we've
get.
got.
They're going to go to bed because Rodney called you a little after 8. I go, holy shit.
let's look at these.
I worked in town with him for
Homemade here by Lisa.
12 years.
She milled the flour this morning and made the butter and the jam.
Made the butter this morning.
I remember one time,
I
the
did.
town
I
manager
did.
calls him in.
I'm working on
We
perfecting
got a
my biscuit
program on
recipe and some
Ninth
strawberry jam. So help
In the,
yourself.
the winter time. He said, the man, Sure.
And there, I think they moved over.
Byron's replacing the second spindle on our Cub Cadet mower. Electric clutch, so rather than take off the belt, Byron simply put some vice grips on the spring and pull the spring off, let loosen the belt up, and we can take it off quickly.
You're doing it.
Yeah.
Why?
The old spindle got chewed up on the area that engages the blade.
The blade was left.
This is a new Amazon perfect fit. He's put the grease fitting towards the front so we can easily grease it.
Tight.
Blade with a stopper, and then torque this nut.
Bring down. Fire
Nice.
it up. Need the front end alignment. Still yakking.
How were the biscuits?
They were real nice, yes.
His and they before we
Well, I got up early to make them. I'm really glad everybody likes them with the jam and the butter that I churned and the jam from the berries I picked. You know, I ground the wheat. I'm glad that they're passable, according to Charlie.